Hello, this is Ahab Dev. In this video, I'll show you how to create a toggle for a new makeup configuration using VRC Fury. The process is very simple. First, we need a texture that matches the UVs of our head. In my case, I'm using the Starlight head and a lip gloss texture I bought a while ago on Jinxie. Next, open your current head texture in Krita or Photoshop. Then drag and drop the new makeup texture into the editor, making sure it's on a new layer. Save this composition as a new layered texture in your Unity project. Back in Unity, duplicate your head material and assign the new texture to the duplicated material. Then go to your avatar's main parent object in the scene. Under Add Component, look for VRC Fury toggles. In the path field, write something like Makeup/Lip Gloss 1. I didn't show this in the video, but it's a good idea to enable Save Between Worlds in the options. For the action type, choose Material Swap. Set the renderer to your head's renderer and select the new material. You can now test it using Gesture Manager to make sure everything works as expected. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.